Ooh, this looks cool. Okay, you know what? Let's just trust the process over here. Okay, I am not trusting the process. Okay, wait, why does he look like a mouth breather? She looks so delicious, like she's a topping on a cake. Okay, I see this TikTok trend all the time, and I think you're supposed to complete the face. And clearly, you are failing right now. Guys, this is so basic. Y'all are just noobs, for real. Watch the expert. Watch me do this in a single swoop. Okay, wait, why does he look like a mouth breather? Okay, let's try again. And haha, see that? Pro. Okay, maybe I was cheating. You're not allowed to use an Apple pencil, just your finger. But whatever, I'm still pro. So we got this skull over here, right? My number one tip for doing the side view face is to draw a diagonal line over here. That's where the tip of the nose is gonna be. And now you draw the juicy lips. The trick is not to let it exceed the line, okay? There we have it. Mouth breather who? Next. Just realize this filter helped with face mapping and highlights. Ooh, very interesting. We need to try that out. So I have this drawing. Okay, so I'm just gonna use my phone. Ooh, this looks cool. Wait, why did it disappear? Okay, so it keeps on disappearing. So I guess we're just gonna have to screenshot it. And, alright, here's the picture. Wait. What in the oiliness? Why does she look like that? Okay, whatever. Let's just try it out. I'm gonna make a new layer and set it to add. We're gonna try to achieve that Asian glow. First, we're gonna put it on the cheekbones. Okay. Okay, you know what? Let's just trust the process over here. Let's not judge it yet. Okay, I am not trusting the process. Guys, I'm literally just doing what the filter says. Why does it look so freaking bad? Okay, what if we take off the dark purple? Bro, it still looks so freaking bad. I cannot salvage this at all. This isn't Korean glass skin. You know what this is? This is just KFC fried chicken grease rubbed all over her face. Korean glass skin who? Okay, let's try it on my other drawing. Maybe it's my drawing that's the problem. Okay, let's just screenshot it real quick. Okay, I see some potential. So I am yet again going to follow the filter. Just gonna put it below the eyes, the forehead, and some other places. Wow, he looks really oily. Let's lower the opacity real quick. Okay, honestly, it's not that bad. At least it's not as bad as the first one. Well, does he also look like someone smeared KFC fried chicken grease all over his face? Yes. But does he look oily in a sexy bodybuilder type of way? Also yes. So this is gonna have to be a 7 out of 10 tip. It's a filter for oiliness, not highlights. I just found something out while using Ibis Paint. I usually use lasso tool to select the object that I want in a layer. So she's trying to select the character, but I was dumb. You can actually do this. So she clicks something and ooh, it selected the whole silhouette. It looks very interesting. Let's try it out. So here we have a cat. So if I wanted to select the whole thing, I just need to go here and then select opacity. And oh, very smexy. Doing that skin trick, I have no idea what it does. Okay, I think I've already done this, but let's just try it out again. So the TikTok put yellow on the forehead, blue on the eyelids, red on the cheek. Okay, you know what guys, just look at the freaking video. Okay, this is not looking good. Okay, so let's just lower the opacity and I'm gonna blur it a bit so it blends smoothly. Okay, so she looks like she has a giant bruise all over her face. But you know what guys, let's not give up just yet. Let's add some lighting over here and now I'm gonna render it real quick. Okay, and obviously we can't miss the juicy lips. Okay, Picasso. Not bad, honestly. I was expecting much worse, but it's alright. 5 out of 10. Next. You were so bad at doing backgrounds. How did you do this so suddenly? Minecraft. Well, that's a pretty good tip. You work smart, not hard. Using Minecraft. That's cool. Let me show you how to work even smarter. This right here is a 3D model. Yo, look, this is a whole apartment. Surely this is gonna help me make my webcomic called I Reincarnated as a Buff Male Wife. So I got this 3D set from Acon 3D, which is our sponsor for today. Acon 3D is a webcomic and drawing asset platform. And this is really popular with artists, especially if you're doing webcomics. Listen, they've got everything from school sets to 3D pose models. They even have a model for sexy feet. Now let me show you my process on how I made this. First, I opened up the 3D background on a free site called SketchUp. Then I screenshotted it and I spent like 5 minutes yassifying it. Then I drew my character. I didn't know how to draw hands, but luckily I also got this hand pose set, which is part of this set. Just copy paste into my art. Then I colored him real quick. Picasso, and added text. See, look at that juiciness. Don't draw backgrounds, guys. Just get assets from Acon 3D. They've got assets for Clip Studio Paint, Photoshop, SketchUp, and more. Just type in the promo code Kooleen and get a special $18 discount. So click the link in the description below. Next, learned how to do these kitty PFPs. Okay, this guy is drawing a cat that is standing on 2 legs. Wow, this is very educational. And now the mouth. You're struggling to draw the mouth. Pathetic. And now this guy clicked on something and here's the result apparently. Ooh, that looks cool. Let's try it out. First, let's do a test to see how this works because I've never tried it before. Okay, I just drew this beautiful face and apparently you're supposed to go to filter and then click style and click relief. Ooh, so that's how it works. Alright, now let's try drawing a cat. Ah yes, very smexy cat. We gotta make sure the booty is poppin'. Okay, so I am not liking this. Let's try it one more time. This time with my avatar. Okay, so my avatar looks really short. Don't let that deceive you. I'm 6'5" in real life. Anyway, let's color this again and I'm gonna apply the filter afterwards. Okay, so here is the filter. You know what guys, this is just really weird. What did I do? See, this is what I made so far. It looks so bad and so cheap. Why can't it look like the cat? Oh wait a second, I just realized something. The cat doesn't have outlines. Okay, I am not drawing with an outline this time. We are going in with lineless art, baby. Okay, Picasso. Now let's apply the effect. Oh, now she looks good. She looks so delicious, like she's a topping on a cake. This looks like actual 3D. Alright. 420 out of 10. Smegsy. Stealing AI art's art style because that's what they do to artists. Oh, that actually looks good. I mean, bro, AI is based on other people's work, which means you're basically just copying a mashup of other people's art styles. For me, it's a really good reference. Not all the time though, because like, look at them double dingoes. And obviously the hands. You just can't rely on them. But then again, so are other references. I'm gonna study this AI art real quick. Okay, so I'm just gonna sketch the whole thing. And now we're going to color it. Now this is the part where we learn, because like look at the shadow over here. The lighting is so good. Whether y'all admit it or not, the AI art looks really clean. It's clean off. Sure, the eyes are a little wonky, but this is your chance to learn from their mistakes. As for the hair, I just kind of freestyled the hair because ain't no way I'm gonna copy that dude. Listen, just like any other art from other artists, there's something to learn from AI art. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Okay, we're finished. Let's compare it to the original. Oh my gosh, it took me 2.5 hours to do this and AI only did it in like 1 minute. Excuse me guys, I'm gonna go lie down on a train rail. Okay, first of all, I am very uncomfortable with the audio. What the heck is that audio? Like, are you like slurping balls or something? Anyway, I've been seeing this going around on TikTok where they put the French flag on the eyes and call it a day. So let's try it out. Okay, I'm gonna look up the French flag because I'm stupid and I don't know crap about geography. Okay, so blue first. Okay, let's put the blue over here. And then we put the red and finally the white. Okay, now she looks possessed. Okay, this trend is cool and all, but clearly people on TikTok are lacking common sense. See, instead of doing that, why not just duplicate the whole drawing and then we're gonna go to adjustments. Just click this little thing over here, chromatic aberration. Wow, big word. And now adjust to your liking. See, this gives the effect throughout the whole canvas, not just the eyes, which I do this all the time. See that? Before and after. Look at the difference. Very subtle, yet very smegsy. This is why you should all listen to me, because I'm perfect. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Watch this next and I'll see you there. Stay cool.